Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to properly set up Google Analytics for an e-commerce website, including recommended events. So let's get started. So this is my uh, Google Tag Manager, and this is my demo website and Google Analytics for property, and this is the recommended event. This is the view item. You can see here everything recommended event, and you can send all as well custom event, no problem. So I will show you only just recommended events. So with the Google Analytics for schema and as well the right parameter. So yeah, let's begin with. So first of all, I have to connect the website with Google Tag Manager. So this is my Google Tag Manager code. Already I copied, and now I have to download the Google GTM for WP plugin, because of this is the e-commerce website and this is the WooCommerce, I mean WordPress. So in that case, we have to use the plugin for enable the data layer according to the GA4 schema. So yeah, now I'm going to plugin section. Already I downloaded, but now I'm going to show you which plugin you have to use. So this is the add plugin. Yeah, GTM for WP, GTM for WP. Yeah, this one. This one already I downloaded and need to be updated. Okay, so yeah, yeah. This is the plugin section, and already I copied the Google Analytics ID. Yeah, yeah. This is activate. Okay, perfect. Settings. There is another ID, so already I copied from the Google Tag Manager. You see, just I'm going to replace the ID and on save changes. Yeah, all right. So you have to go to the integration from the WooCommerce plugin, because of we have to enable the uh, data layer. So if you don't just mark, it will not enable data layer. So just check mark the track e-commerce, and yeah, this is the clear e-commerce object before new event. Okay, perfect. So everything all right now. Already I checked, so I don't need to change again. Okay, so this is the, so let me copy the URL first. Yeah, so preview. Okay, perfect. Yes, my website is already connected to uh, with the Google Analytic, Google Tag Manager. So this is the view content. So as you can see, the our uh, data layer is enabled. So now we can send any kind of product information to Google Analytics. So yeah, so first of all, I have to configure the Google tag. So yeah, this is the Google tag, and now I'm going to copy the measurement ID. So yeah, so since we are going to make uh, lots of event, that's why you are going to make the constant variable. So yeah, so this is the measurement ID. Okay, perfect. Save and click on the initialization all page. Okay, that's great. Okay, save. Yeah. So, all right. So now I'm going to create the Google Analytics event. Yes, this is the measurement ID. That's perfect. So which event should I choose? So this is the recommended event. So I can copy from here. No problem. So yeah, this is the recommended event. If you send like this, and Google Analytics will receive properly, and you can make the funnel. So yeah, trigger, it would be, so we are going to create the trigger custom trigger. That's why you have to, like, this is the data layer. You see the event. Okay, so event is view item. Okay, perfect. So now view item. Okay, perfect. So we have to send the recommended information, right? I mean parameters. So currency, value, and items. This is the items. This is the items you see. This is the product information. So how we can create? So like, this is the event parameter. So this is the one, two, three. So first of all, current value. Okay, perfect. And this is the currency. Okay, this is the items. Okay, value. So I'm going to create the dynamic variable so that I can use for any with any event. So this is the data layer variable because of I'm going to create dynamic variable from this data layer. So this is the e-commerce, and you see this is the object, right? This is the array, and this is the object. So this is as well the object. So now I'm going to select the e-commerce, and since I'm going to create the value, so e-commerce dot value. So let's see, e-commerce dot value. Yes, this is the value. I can choose the DLB value. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm going to create the currency. Same thing. So data variable. This is the e-commerce dot currency. From where I captured, this is the currency, right? E-commerce dot currency. Yeah, perfect. So now DLB currency. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now I have to create the array. So yeah, same thing from the data layer. Yes. So as you can see here, this is the items. This is the items, right? So this is the object. So first I have to select the e-commerce, same things, the items. Yeah, items dot currency dot items. Yes, DLV items. That's perfect. So now already we have created all the things, all the parameters. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to save Google Analytics event view item. Yes, save. So you see a view item, and this is the Google, I mean, Google tag. So we have to configure the same page view true. Okay. So send page view true. We're going to send a page view with the Google tag. So what's happening here? So let's go to the admin section and now go to the debug view. Yes. So again, I'm going to preview now. Okay, perfect. This is the view content. Okay, so you see our tag is fired and successfully. This is the unknown. Where? Why? You see that our created the items. This is the items array, and this is the value. And where is the currency? Currency unknown. Why? Where is the currency? There is something wrong, maybe. Okay, no problem. So this is the currency. So what is the problem? Currency, e-commerce dot currency, right? So yeah. Oh, I mistake spelling maybe. What's the problem? So let's see again. E-commerce dot. This is the currency, right? Okay, perfect. Okay. So now, yes, I'm going to create the purchase event. So for example, if you have the data layer, all the things, just copy, okay, and change the name according to the recommended event, and just change the trigger. Okay, change the trigger add to cart. So for example, this is the add to cart. So add to cart. Okay, so it would be for add to cart. So now I'm going to show you directly purchase. So I'm going to copy. Okay, perfect, copy, and this is the purchase. So if I go to this one, there, purchase. So you see the purchase, right? This one. Okay, perfect. Yeah, perfect purchase. So same thing. I have to copy. Event name is purchase. So all the things here. So now I'm going to create the trigger purchase. Okay, perfect. So yeah, purchase, purchase. So another thing is with the purchase, you have to send the additional information like transaction ID, coupon, shipping text. Uh, so yeah, already. Let me go to the checkout and purchase. We're going to see the purchase data layer first. Then we will make sure that which information we are going to send. So this is the transaction ID, this is the transaction, and there is text, value, affiliate, and coupon, shipping, everything here. So this is the participant, like this is one, two, three, and this is the shipping, right? So shipping, yeah, shipping, and this is the tax. Okay, this is the coupon. So same thing. You have to create like from the data layer with the dynamic variable. So yeah, this is the data layer JavaScript variable. Okay, same thing. Sorry. So this is the e-commerce. E-commerce dot. This is the shipping, right? So DLB shipping. Same thing. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to create the text, the variable, the text, DLB text. Perfect. So coupon, because of you see this is the e-commerce, this is the object, main object, and after this object you see the transaction, tax, shipping, everything over there. So that's why we are going to create just dynamic event, dynamic parameters. So this is the coupon. Okay, perfect. DLB coupon. Perfect. So for the purchase, we are sending the additional parameter. So yeah, save, and now sometimes it's nothing to be same homepage and real time. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to preview again. Okay, perfect. So first time I have to check the network section. There is something wrong. Maybe we are not receiving the Google Analytics event. So why? This is the yes, all right, correct. So yes, this is the cookie banner concept. This is there is nothing. The problem is there is not available the mm, cookie banner. This is the decline. There is the problem. So yes, but uh, when you are going to send data to the Google Analytics and Google Ads conversion, you have to make sure that you are sending data according with the user consent. So if you don't have any consent mode, you are unable to send data to the Google Ads and Google Analytics. So same thing, I'm not able to Google Analytics not able to get the data. Yes, perfect. So this is the consent mode not available. Okay. So but this is the view item triggered. Perfect. So let me refresh the container. This is the unknown tag. Why? I have to preview again. Yes, perfect. So something. So let's see what's happening. Yeah. Page view and view content. There is consent is declined. Okay, perfect. This is unknown. Okay, don't worry. So now I'm going to purchase. Yes, perfect. Okay, place an order. This is the purchase event, and you see the succeed. But there is unknown. Some maybe if I just submit the container, then it going to be fix the problem unknown tag type. So yeah, so yeah, this is the array and other things like okay, what is the currency? Maybe there is something problem. This is the unknown type variable. Which variable I selected? Let me check. Okay, for the currency, is the currency or is the currency JavaScript variable? Yeah, this is the wrong. This is the data library. Okay, perfect. Oh, shipping JavaScript variable I selected. This is the mistake. So this is the data library and which I coupon. Yes, perfect. All right, so I'm going to preview again, and the problem is I don't have any cookie banner in my website. This is the problem. So there is nothing. This is the main problem. So maybe there is thing like this is the plugin section and products and tools, appearance, theme editor. Oh, yeah, got it. So php dot header dot php. So maybe I'm going to get some code from, yeah. This is the dog and language script, the function. Ah, yeah, yeah, I got it. So yeah, perfect. Let me delete and update file. Okay, perfect. Succeed. And now I'm going to preview again. So yeah, this is the consent. Now you see there is nothing. Okay, so let's do it. Hopefully now Google Analytics is going to accept the event because of there is nothing. So view content. Oh shit, unknown type. Maybe sometimes later it will be go. It will go no problem. So yeah, you see the currency and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to purchase. Yes. This is the long video. Don't worry, you are going to get the more information because of just you set up and everything. It seems everything good, but if you don't face the problem, why is not going to data to the Google Analytics? So you see, our already our data is coming through the Google Tag Manager. So this is okay, perfect. So debug mode. You see, that was what was the problem? Our cookie banner, it was the problem. So yeah, it's not a problem, but it's if you have GDPR rules in your country, uh, you have to use the cookie banner. Otherwise, how you are going to break the rules, right? So yeah, this is the purchase and this is the purchase. So okay, perfect. So you see the currency coupon. There is nothing. I didn't use the coupon. So and array shipping tax. You see everything is zero. So that's why it's returning zero. Not a big deal. Yeah. So yeah. So you see, as you can see, yeah, purchase is coming. Yeah, you see everything data here. This is the array information, and you see the property value. This is the dynamic. Okay, so this is the 15. This is the BDT currency. Okay, perfect. So that's it for the video. And if this video helped you understand Google Analytics tracking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So if you have any questions, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.